Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Wadena County in North Central Keysota, Beltrami County in North Central Keysota, Cherokee County in North Central Keysota, until 10:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Almora, moving east at 70 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Hiram, Almora, Trent, and Nateville. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.